Businesses are investing in digital transformation, artificial intelligence, automation, and connected systems. But many organizations still struggle with one challenge. Their technology works separately. Data is scattered. Processes become slower, and making the right decision takes more time than it should. At Arxara, we believe technology should work together. We build intelligent digital solutions that connect people, business processes, and data into one powerful ecosystem. From artificial intelligence, enterprise resource planning, healthcare information systems, to smart city solutions, Arxara helps organizations work smarter, move faster, and make better decisions every day. Because digital transformation is not about adding more technology. It's about connecting everything that matters. Arxara, connected intelligence for the digital era. Let's build the future together.